I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were up again on Thursday despite a successful auction of $13 billion in U.S. 30-year Treasury bonds, completing a heavy week of issuance. But investors remain concerned about the high level of deficit spending by the federal government, which is bloating the national debt. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75% with 2 3/8 points, up 1/8 of a point from Wednesday, for an extra cost of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is at 1 point, also up 1/8 of a point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan, and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was unchanged, with the 4.25% rate still at 1 3/8 points. The 4 3/8% rate is at 3/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service, less than $1 a day. First-time claims for weekly state unemployment benefits fell to 462,000 from a downwardly revised 468,000 a week earlier, but remained above expectations. Today, we will see February retail sales, which are expected to have fallen below the unchanged mark. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.